Hey everyone, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys what not to do as far as product research for your Amazon FBA business. And if you guys have enjoyed my video so far, can you please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and that way other people can also see my videos. So with that being said, I'm going to start my video right now. Let's see. So this first product. The problem with this product is that this is a common mistake, right, with product research. So there's certain listings on Amazon that are multi-pack. So this one is a two pack, right? The two pack product. So if you run the numbers for this product, so one piece is $9, right? So two pieces of this product is gonna be $18. So 9 times 2 is gonna be 18. And if you run the numbers, it's giving you a 7% ROI. And then I'm sorry, negative 7% ROI. And then if you look at the competition, obviously this is a negative 7%, right? Because sometimes when you do product research, it's negative here, up here. But then if you look at other sellers, it's, sometimes the first seller is the only one negative and the other ones are positive ROI, right? So for this instance, it is really a negative ROI product because it's negative up here on your ROI, and then if you look at other sellers, it's also negative, right? And this is a common mistake because of multi-pack, right? So I think it's a common mistake for beginners. They kind of miscalculate products. So this one is a two-pack, and then this one here is a one piece. So instead of putting $18 here, the new sellers tend to put the price of one product. So at $9, it's a good ROI. But then if you really do the numbers and input the right cost, it's going to be negative 7%. So yeah, that's the problem with this one. And the next one. So this one is also not good because if you look at the website, so sportinggsale.com, right? And up here, there's a Dick's Sporting Goods logo, which is a big red flag because why is this website branded with Dick's Sporting Goods, right? So what I usually do is I take this website and then I review the website. So reviewing means I just type review and then the website, and then I look at I usually look at the review of the website. So this website has no reviews. Yeah. Yeah, this one has no reviews. And plus, this one's pretty obvious because it has Dick's Sporting Goods here. And then let's run the numbers to see if um yeah, it's also negative, right? It's a negative ROI product. And then the supplier website is also bogus. And that's why you should stay away from this product, right? So yeah, just be careful with this certain websites. There's a lot of websites out there that are scam websites. So I would just be very careful with suppliers. If you see numbers that are too good to be true, it's probably coming from a bogus website. So yeah, and if ever you're suspicious with any websites, all you have to do is review it. So again, I would get the website right, and then review, and then paste the website. And then if there's no reviews or if there's any bad reviews, it's not a good website. So, all right, next product. So next product is, what is this? So it's a hot sauce. It's a two-pack hot sauce. So we're paying about $40 or $39.67 for a 12, right? A 12 piece. So you would divide this number by 12. So now one piece is $3.30, right? So 330, and then this one is a two pack. So 330 times 2 is going to be 661. Yeah, this one is a negative ROI product. Yeah, so I would stay away from this because obviously it's negative ROI, right? So yeah, it's a negative 8% ROI. It kind of gets better here, but the problem is there's not enough sales volume. So the sales per month of this product is only 58, right? But there's also a variation. So what I would do is I would go to variations and then click on check. Okay, so this variation is getting about 95% of the sales. So I want to say like 55 sales a month, right? So not enough. So there's not enough sales volume. It's starting off at negative ROI. So to me, this is a product that you should stay away from. Next product. Let's see. So next product is this one. So like what I don't like about this one is that with Vons, from my experience, they don't really ship to my prep center. So as you guys can see here, right, there's only pickup and delivery. So they don't really ship to my prep center. So the reason why I want to stay away from this is because it doesn't ship, right? So my prep center, my prep center is from a different state. So if I see an option that says delivery, I usually stay away from it. And also, I don't do any pickups because I don't do retail arbitrage, right? I do online arbitrage. So I prefer for my products to be shipped straight to my prep center. So this one is a bad product for me at least. Let's see if you run the numbers, it should be good. Or we know $4.99 times 2, it's $1.98. Okay. And plus, it's also a negative ROI product. So that's another reason why you should stay away from this, right? So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed my video on what products to avoid for Amazon FBA business. And if you guys like my video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and that way other people can also see it. See you guys. Bye bye.